Meaning of deodorant.
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 Deodorant. Deodorant is a personal hygiene product that helps to prevent body odor. It works by inhibiting the growth of bacteria that cause odor, or by masking the smell with fragrances. Most deodorants contain an aluminum-based compound that forms a plug in the sweat gland, thereby reducing sweat production. Some deodorants also contain antiperspirant properties that further reduce sweat. Applying deodorant regularly can help to keep you feeling fresh and smelling good throughout the day.